Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about Go imports. The import statement is used to give our package access to some code written inside another package. If we need to import other packages to our source code file, we can do it in two ways. Basically, if we need multiple imports to our source code file, we can use import statement for each and every package we need as this import fmt, import math slash rand. Likewise, other than that, if we need to make our code look nicer, we can use this factored import statement. It will use one import keyword, and within brackets we can line up our packages one after another. That's it for today's video.